Recall that a relay is another type of switch. Relays can be used with multiple voltage levels. A relay can have several terminals. This module will focus on a relay with 3 terminals. You can see an example in the image to the right. On a diagram, you can see that each of the relay's terminals are labeled. Each circle within the relay represents a terminal. Each number next to a circle is the label for the terminal. In this example, we are looking at a start relay on an HVAC unit. You can see that there are 3 terminals labeled 1, 2, and 5. Each terminal of the relay will have one of these numbers. Always start by turning off the power before handling any wires. Notice that a wire goes from terminal 1 to the start capacitor. The wire should be brown to follow the wiring diagram. A wire goes from terminal 2 to the H terminal on the dual run capacitor. The wire should be blue to follow the wiring diagram. A wire also goes from terminal 5 to the 21 terminal on the contactor. The wire should be black to follow the wiring diagram. To connect each wire to the relay, you will use a crimp-on. Once you connect all 3 terminals, the relay has been wired. In this module, you learned how to wire components in series, wire components in parallel, wire a contactor, and wire a relay.